Okay, so if your date is not coming through clear, what tends to happen is this has been poorly adjusted and it's sitting too low, well, too low compared to the surrounding rubber. The resolution is to take a Phillips head number 0 screwdriver and give these two adjustment screws a quarter turn each to the right, righty-tighty, 1, 2, do a test impression and then see if the date's coming through, and just keep on going a quarter turn at a time until the date comes through. Generally it takes about a half turn to a 3/4 turn and the date will start coming through clear. If you've got the opposite problem where the date's showing but the surrounding rubber isn't getting a clear impression, it may be that the date's set too far down and you just do the opposite. So go a quarter turn to the left or anti-clockwise on both screws until you start getting a clear impression and a clear date.